Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. It's been 6 years of anticipation. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will get fast charging, and the new adapter has already appeared on the official website. According to the latest available data and new leaks, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra receives 3C certification, charging speed, and other upgrades are confirmed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to debut at the end of January 2026. It is expected to offer similar battery capacity as the S25 Ultra, but may support a faster charging speed. A new listing on the 3C certification official website has now confirmed the future phone's charging speed. A Samsung smartphone with the model number SM-S9480 has been listed on the China 3C certification website. The listing reveals that the device will support up to 60W fast charging. The description states that the device will support 60 watts charging, but will be sold without a power adapter. This will be the first significant improvement in charging speeds for Samsung phones since 45 watts charging was introduced back in 2019 with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. In addition to 60 watts wired charging, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to support wireless and reverse wireless charging. The 3C listing also indicates that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will support satellite connectivity. According to a recent rumor, the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra could pack a 5200 mAh battery, but a certification website revealed that the phone would stick to a 5000 mAh cell. Meanwhile, the phone is expected to offer faster wireless charging. The S26 Ultra is expected to be the only phone in the series to support 60 watts fast charging. The S26 Plus is expected to offer 45 watts charging. It's not yet known whether the standard S26 will support 25 watts or 45 watts charging. It is also reported that the new Galaxy S26 series lineup will officially launch in February next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.